In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get your Target order gift wrapped. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, search for the item you would like to purchase and add it to your shopping cart. Once you have finished shopping, tap or click the cart icon and proceed to checkout. During the checkout process, check whether the item is eligible for a gift option. If gift wrapping or gift packaging is available for your purchase, you'll see the option before you place your order. Simply select the gift option and follow the on-screen instructions. For items that support it, you may also be able to include a gift receipt or add a personal gift message. These options will appear during checkout if they are available for the products in your order. If you don't see a gift wrap option, it means that the item or fulfillment method does not support gift wrapping. Availability can vary depending on the product, the seller, and whether the item is shipped by Target or a third-party seller. Before completing your purchase, review your order summary to make sure your selected gift options have been applied. Then place your order as usual, and that's it. This is how you can easily check for gift wrapping and other gift options when placing an order on Target. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.